Come on. I would like to go to that gold market, you know. That I don't know what was that whole thing. It would
The
look like
chocolate one.
it looked like an armor
Ma'am, that
rather than,
San Francisco also. That San Francisco also I would like to
you know,
buy.
it looked like an armor rather than, you know, Safia, make me the
Gold
co-host,
necklace.
please.
Ma'am, you're already the co-host.
Oh, Sakleen, please. You know, you are down with. Thank you, Safia. Okay, Sakleen, you're down with typhoid and you're talking about food and non-veg. Please, chill. Okay, you relax. You can't have all that right now. You know it. Okay, so
Ma'am, I'd rather prefer online shopping.
yeah, you know, that gold thing. I don't know what was it. Was it a necklace or it was a whole armor kind of thing? You know, when they used to
Gold
go to
armor.
battle.
And the yuckiest thing was the first one. Wherein
Oh,
they were moving and then they directly come and
There was an Indian market also, no? With
yeah,
that.
Kolkata. That was their Kolkata, you know. So excellent stuff, you know. You know, it's amazing. You know, there are so many things in the world to see. So yes, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so we start with our session today. Let's see, what do we have for you today? Okay. Just a minute. Umaima, can you wear the headphones, please? I think my class can hear you clearly. You can hear what's happening in Umaima's class, right?
No, but I can hear what's happening in Siraj's class. Because he's shouting so much.
Okay. Okay, you can't hear what's happening in her class, right? Okay. So we start with our session and you
ma'am, I can not like that. In my house, Zainab is sitting, I can hear.
it's with everybody. It's with Ahmad. It's with like, you know, Munib. It's with us. It's the
I
same thing
cannot
in
hear
here.
others, but this Musfira, she shouts
Okay.
so much.
So you know what we're going to do today? Right? Can you see what we're doing today?
Economics.
Again, economics. Okay, we're gonna do economics again today. Okay. Okay. What am I talking about over here?
Languages.
Languages. Okay. Come on. Try talking that. Go on.
I think
Ma'am,
it's
something
Market.
economics
related
and
to
different
food.
languages.
Economics
Economics and different
in different
languages.
language. Okay. Okay. So can we pronounce them?
Market.
Okay.
Mercado.
Millie,
I
we can
think it
add as
means
well.
money.
Okay. You think it means money? Wow, Ahmad. Okay.
And
Brilliant. What else?
different food of the world.
Earning from
Money again, even Amina is like money. Okay, economics, he says economics. Mazam Mudabbir, it starts with your alphabets. Go on.
We think it is market.
Okay, you think it is
marketing.
marketing. Okay, okay,
I also think it's
And I would also go with market.
okay,
Because
you
we just
also,
saw a video also about it.
right. I think now it would be much more easier for you all to understand what we're doing today. Yeah.
Marketing.
No, there's a difference in marketing and there's a difference in market. Okay, so can we pronounce this, please?
Marche, Marsado, Marsanto.
soup.
Then
Xizang.
Xinjiang, Xinjiang,
Xizang. Xizang.
market and
Mark.
souk, right?
Souk.
Okay, what do you think marché is in which language?
German.
Spanish.
Portuguese.
Okay, no, it's French. You know, it's French. Mercado,
Portuguese. Spanish.
Spanish, exactly. Mercado is Spanish. Mercato,
Portuguese.
German.
German. No.
Portuguese.
Just give a hint, ma'am.
I'll give you a hint, you know, I love
Mexican.
their lasagnas are like
Mexican.
lasagna. Mexican, no. Lasagna.
Argentina. Brazil. Argentina.
Brazil and Argentina have lasagnas. You have their cheese, you have their pastas, you have their pizzas. Come on, guys.
Italy.
Exactly.
Rome. Romans.
Italian.
Xizang is the Chinese of Japan, ma'am.
And the
Chinese
last
or
one is
Japan?
Chinese.
Yes.
The last one is Chinese.
Which? Souk. It's Chinese.
No.
Abdullah. Okay,
No, that
okay.
the green one.
Okay, the green one. I thought the soup you said the last one is Chinese. Okay. Xinjiang is
Soup is
definitely
Arabic.
Chinese. Market is which now?
English.
No, it
English.
is marked. It's not market. It's marked.
Yeah, I forgot the E. You know,
English.
I was typing so fast that I forgot E in it.
English. And the last one is
English.
Arabic.
No, marked is German. I did not forget the E in there. So
Ma'am, you confused us, ma'am.
yeah, I like doing that, don't you? Okay. And this
I
would
will
be
consider
German.
it.
Okay. Now there's a difference in marketing and market. Okay. Remember that. Market is something.
Place where we sell.
Okay.
Marketing
Fantastic.
are the people, like the people.
Okay. So market and marketing. Anybody wants to go with what's market and marketing?
Market is
A
something
market is a
which
place
is like
to sell, and marketing is a style of how you
Well
sell the
done.
product.
Well done, Amina and Farhana. Excellent, excellent. Yes, Mazam Mudabir, Abdullah, Ahmad, y'all want to add to it? Sakleen, yes, you can. If you want to type, go on. Market and marketing. Hmm?
Ma'am, market is a place,
Right. Okay.
and but marketing is like an act of like creating of the product.
Okay. I like that. Excellent. We'll do marketing also with y'all. Yes, Ahmad, you want to say something? You unmuted yourself. So I was so excited. Yeah, Ahmad is saying without me prompting him. Okay. All right. So market is definitely a place, okay, where you're buying and selling, no doubt about it.
Yes.
And marketing is all the techniques and,
Making
yeah, wherein you'll be selling your goods, so all the techniques, and it has different process, like, in marketing you have four main P's which we'll study later. So remember, when I say market, you understand market is a different entity altogether, and marketing would be something
different.
different here. Okay.
That is the same thing when we came.
Okay, now what is a market? Okay, so
A
simple.
place where buyers and
Yeah. Remember, in economics, you will definitely keep on having these definitions. Okay, by the way, I have shared this pictures, images of demand and supply on the Google Classroom. How many of y'all have seen it? None of you? Anybody has seen it? In the Google Classroom, I've shared the images of demand and supply.
I'm checking it, ma'am.
Oh, no, not now. Don't check it now. I've done it last week only after the session. Okay, so it's cool. The reason I've shared is because I want you all to revise it, learn it. This will help you further, and it will help you in assessments as well. Okay. So now what is market is? Market is a place where buyers and sellers can meet to facilitate the exchange or transactions of goods and services. Okay. Now this is a simple definition which we all can understand, I'm sure about it, right? So what do you think are the three main features of a market, or three aspects of market? What do you think? What do you think? What does market actually comprise of?
Product,
Product. Okay, excellent. What else? Because without a product or a service, it's either goods or service, right? Without the goods or a service, there would be no market, because you don't want to buy or sell anything. Excellent. What else?
Customer.
Fantastic. Customer. Excellent. Because you need to
exchange.
have exchange. Wow. Wow.
Because
Brilliant.
sometimes the people like they take, like, I'll give you this and you give me that thing, because sometimes they have
Ma'am,
extra
trade.
money, trade, and yeah, they have exchange.
Fantastic.
Trading, trading.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Excellent. You know what? Guys, the girls are really, way ahead when it comes to economics. I'm expecting answers from you guys also. Or is it you're busy, trying to look cool and smart and handsome? That's the reason you're not replying. What is it? Yeah? Mazum Mudabir, Ahmad. Yeah? Abdullah, come on, okay? So excellent. You know, what are the features or the main three aspects of marketing? It's commodity, that's your goods and services, your buyers and sellers, because without them, there will be no market, and communication, like she said, Safia said, an exchange, you know, or a trade. That is very, very important. Okay, now when I talk about market, okay, what comes into your mind? When I say market, you've understood what market is, you've understood the definition. It's very simple for you to understand. So when I say market, okay, what comes to your mind? Go on, tell me.
Place where you
A
buy.
place where we sell and buy.
Yes, Sakleen is saying barter system. Okay, excellent. A bargaining would be there. Okay, a place where you buy and sell. But can you just give me a picture of what would be like?
Like
Crowded place.
Basket
huge,
and
Okay,
a
okay,
huge or a small place where people buy things from,
okay,
and or some online thing also would be fine. Like
okay,
or a small place where people buy things, and then where we sell lots and lots of products,
okay.
different types of products,
Mm-hmm.
and there are lots of buyers and customers.
Okay. So when I say market, you know, I'm sure, I guess this would be coming into your mind. Just a minute. Okay. If I talk about market, okay. Okay. Safia, after answering, if you could mute yourself, please,
Yeah.
because then I can hear, you know, in background what's happening. Yeah. Okay. So when I talk about market, does this come into my mind? Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly, this should also come into your mind, because after all, this is market. I agree with you, you know, I agree with you. But since we're doing economics, okay, they, like I said, they have their own parameters, they have their own rules, and you know, they have their own definitions. We'll see according to economics what would market be. Yeah. Okay, so moving next, I would say, what is the structure of a market? Okay, now when I talk about the structure of the market, okay, this structure of market depends on two main parameters. One is the nature of the product, and one is the number of sellers and buyers. Okay, so depending on the nature of your product, if, like, for example, you are selling distillery, you know, water, so it's like bottled water, right? And the number of sellers and buyers that are involved, based on that, the structure of market is divided into two categories. First is your monopoly, and second is your perfect competition. Okay, so depending on the nature of your product and the number of buyers and sellers, remember, your market will be divided into two parts. Okay, two categories, that's it, nothing else: monopoly and perfect competition. What do you think monopoly would be? What do you
Ma'am,
think monopoly?
it's a trading game
Okay,
It's a game of
where
trade.
Monopoly is where there's only one seller.
exactly. Monopoly is definitely a game, but here I'm talking about market, okay? And I'm talking about the
It's a game
division.
of business and trading.
Yes, it is a game of business and trading, but in economics, when I say monopoly, market monopoly, so I have to understand monopoly means that only one seller is there.
and
There are no
others are
other sellers.
buyers.
There are no other sellers.
And
That means,
monopoly could also be like when you take some like from some other company, like you give them money that you come with us, and then they become one with you. So then after that they don't keep it as their own name, you keep it as one name. Like under one, like we have Golden Sparrow, so they will also have like one only Golden Sparrow.
yes.
Everything comes under Golden Sparrow.
Right. So we are not going to talk about monopoly game out here. Okay, we are talking about monopoly market. Remember, I said we're talking about economics and the market monopoly. So what Ahmad said is exactly true, that monopoly has only one seller. Okay. So now you think, suppose you are starting with a bottled water. Okay, and maybe the name of your company would be maybe Mandela's, okay, and you are the only seller in the market for bottled water. Only Mandela. That's it. There, you don't have Bisleri, you don't have Aquafina, you do not have Schweppes, you do not have XYZ, whatever other company. You are the sole seller in the market. So this market would be called as monopoly market. Why? Because you are monopolizing the entire sale. Now tell me, if you are the only person who is selling it, what would be the characteristic of this market? Okay, I don't want Google searched answers, guys, okay?
Some characters
Means
What would be the speciality? What would be the features of this particular market? If it's only one seller, only you people are selling.
we are the only people who are selling water. So
Yeah,
then
you
there
are the
would be
only people selling water in India. You are bottled water, okay? You are the only people. Mandela is the only one who's selling it. So what do you think would be the features of this market?
ma'am,
So,
this
like,
would
we have a
No
lot of
Googling, guys. I
we
can
will
see
have
with your eyes
clean-
what's happening.
Clean and
have a
sanitized
lot
water.
of profit.
Okay.
Because, like,
Everybody will buy only from us.
Just a minute. Farhana, go on. Yes, what were you saying?
we'll have a lot of profit because like we are the only people selling and
Okay. Okay,
also-
and hold on. We go to others. Munib, what were you saying?
I was saying the same point that we will get the profit and we will be the
Okay.
highest in the India.
Okay, fantastic. Amina,
And the rank of
Amina.
economy
Okay,
also.
but we give everybody. Amina, you were saying about clean and sanitized water. Yes, fantastic, Amina. SDG, you can tell, your mom kind of, right? She installed a lot of SDGs. Yes, because that would be my product. But I'm talking about the market. Market is a place wherein the buyers and the sellers meet. Okay, so I'm talking about that area.
Ma'am.
What would be the features of that particular market?
Ma'am.
Product designing, you'll do it in marketing, which I'll come to you definitely, Amina, in that aspect. But what do you think the market would be like? Firstly is you are going to have profits. Exactly. Yes, Abdullah, then we go to Safiya. Yes, Abdullah, go on.
It used to be like that only in UAE before.
Yes, in
Like
UAE.
there was only one water company.
And now you have so
There was
many
only
of
one
them.
water company.
Yes. So tell me, what was the market? You should be knowing then. What was the market like? Tell me. Yes.
I was not
Safiya.
here at that time, ma'am. Someone told me.
Okay, someone told you. So didn't you ask them like how was it like then? Yes, Safiya, go on.
like you would be only person in the world, like India,
Mhm.
and so many people would come to you like that. For water, only the people would come to you, and then you would have lots of like money and profit because you are the only company which is selling.
Exactly.
Ma'am, there's
Okay.
also going to be a disadvantage that we have to handle everything and like there's nobody else to help you. It's going to be very crowded.
Yeah.
Everybody is going to come to you.
Okay. But Amina, that would be an advantage for me because I won't have a competitor. Single
And
fund.
ma'am,
So there's, yes,
ma'am,
Farhana.
If you're going to start it in a source
more
of 20
people will
people,
get
you will start with
attracted
a
and
good
more
team.
people will start buying it.
Okay, more people will start buying, more people will attract it. Mozam Mudabbir, Ahmad, I want some, yes, less challenge. Abdullah Saqib, excellent.
More
Saqib,
company
good
would
going.
start copying you. Like they keep some other name, and then more companies. They will like the people are coming, so they will
Safiya,
also.
I'll come to that point. Just hold on to that point. Mozam Mudabbir, you tell me. What do you think?
If we are the only people selling bottled water, then if people want to use bottled water, they have no other choice. They have to buy from us.
That's what it's like, single firm. So the first feature would be it's a single firm. Secondly, what would be happening is like you will be maximizing the profits. Everything would be like people would be coming only to you, and you would be the like those king, those rajas are there, like you will be ruling, okay, in that particular industry, in that particular product. Okay, right. What do you think would happen then? What other thing can happen? Do you think you'll be allowing other firms to start the same business in monopoly market?
No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, when you start a new business and more, like many people are coming to your shop to buy something, maybe the others will start the same business but in low price, so people will go over there.
Right.
That will become a
But
disadvantage.
this is not a feature of monopoly market. Remember, monopoly, we say it's only one person selling. So that means in this market, one of the features will be that no new firm or new company can enter the market. That means if only Mandela is selling water, then if I as a Bisleri would want to come, I cannot enter. Why? It's a monopoly market. If I'm trying to enter the market, I'll say, oh, I'll sell it for a cheaper rate, or I'll sell it for, like, you know, free of cost initially, whatever. No. Why? Because it's your monopoly, it's your market, you are ruling, you are the kings. So the third thing is there is no chance for any firm to enter that market. Okay. Now,
But if you buy some other company, then you had
no, there is no
company
other
there
better
some-
advantage.
but remember, Sophia, that's a monopoly market, so there is no other company only selling any bottled
No,
water.
if you buy some other company, like
No,
then-
there is no. If you buy, then it would be your franchisee, your subsidiary company, your branch company. Okay, we'll go into subsidiaries and branches and franchisees also. We'll learn that also. But that would be yours. You don't have any other competitor for you. Yes, Munir?
Ma'am, I was asking that is there any monopoly market of something in India?
We'll come to that. Okay. Now, the other thing. Okay, what is the other thing happening? Go on. Do you think you have more options or any other substitutes for bottled water in monopoly? Do you think you'll be able to have any kind of you know, as in any substitutes would be there? Remember, I'm talking about monopoly.
Juice.
Yes.
You'll have a substitute. Okay, Farhana and Abdullah saying yes. What about others? What are you saying?
no, ma'am.
Like, it's like, see, you guys are selling what? You guys are selling bottled water. If I say I'm going to come up with sparkling water, yes, Sakleen is saying no. Okay, how many of you all go with Sakleen? Okay, Ahmad, have we lost you again? You're having internet problem at your end, please. Okay, Abdullah has put it very nicely. More profit, less challenge. Actually, there is no challenge only when it comes to competitors. Okay, see, if other companies are buying water from my company and selling it, then they are not manufacturing it, right? They are not the producers. Okay, they would be my traders, you know, which he can just buy it and sell it for me. He can work as a trader for me. Yes. So how many of y'all think that there is a substitute? I can start. If y'all are selling bottled water, I'll say, like, okay, Mandela, y'all are selling bottled water, I'll sell sparkling water. Is that allowed in monopoly markets?
No, ma'am. Water is water.
Exactly. No substitutes are allowed. Y'all are the ones who are ruling it. So there will be no, even if you want to sell mineral water, you will not be able to sell mineral water. Why? Because bottled water, that concept only belongs to Mandelas and nobody else. So I hope you all are understanding when I say monopoly market. Mausam Mudabbir, is it clear to you?
Ma'am, can we change, like, we can, like, if we are Mandela and we are selling water, so can we shift to mineral water or?
Yeah,
that is
it's up to you. You can make any kind of changes. You can come up with new products. Definitely, you can do that. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to know. Ahmad, are you there, Ahmad?
I'm here.
Yeah. So, no, the video isn't on. So, I'm just wondering, what is it like? Mausam Mudabbir, any confusion regarding this? Monopoly markets?
No, ma'am.
Now, one more thing, okay? Since you are the kings, you are the rulers, you're monopolizing the entire market, okay? So, the bottled water price, how will that be? Will you keep it low? Will you keep it high? What?
But ma'am,
No.
how will someone
We will,
start?
ma'am, we will keep, like, so if it is like big bottle, so big prices, so short bottle, short price, like
And
that.
if you are the owner of a bottle company and you allow the other person to open a bottle company, they can open a bottle company.
See, in monopoly
Then it would
market,
not be a monopoly market.
it wouldn't be a monopoly market. So here we are talking about monopoly market, and at the end of it, I'll come to the conclusion. I'll tell you what is, like, you know, the final thing about monopoly market. But here
Ma'am,
we
we
are
would be selling
discussing.
in, we would not be selling in too high price or too low price.
Okay, how many of you all agree with Munib? Y'all are the only ones selling it. So how many of you all agree with Munib?
I didn't get his point.
Sorry?
I didn't get his point.
He's saying that I will sell not very high price, not very low price, middle.
Ma'am, but if we sell high price, ma'am, no one will come, ma'am.
Yes,
And
Sophia.
Other
Yes,
companies
Sophia.
can take
Agree.
advantage of that.
Sophia, you'll
At
sell
some
it.
point I agree, some point disagree.
Okay.
When
Fantastic.
it's like 5 rupees chocolate, and if it is a one chocolate, then you don't sell it in a medium.
No,
price.
I'm talking about bottled water, Sophia.
Then agree.
Even if we sell it for a high price, they will have to come to us only because we are the only ones selling.
Exactly. They will come to you only because there is nobody else in the market. So y'all are the ones who are going to decide what price you want to sell to.
Yeah.
You can
But
keep it
we are
high
kind
price
people, we are
during
not cruel people, ma'am.
even in summers when you're selling, you can sell it at a very high price because you know in summers people are going to really buy lots of bottled water, so you'll make your profit more. Maybe when it comes rains, you know that people won't take so much of bottled water, you can lower down your price. So
Yes.
again, yeah, your selling will be more.
Agreed.
So excellent. When it comes to monopoly market, there is nobody to challenge you or ask you or question you that why are you selling it at so price, and your price will be dependent on you. You can decide whatever price you want,
Yeah.
No, but
whatever
ma'am,
price.
Do we use the monopoly selling technique in the game also?
Yeah, there's a game Monopoly, and Ahmad loves it because last time he showed it to me. Yeah, Ahmad, I would like it if you keep your video on, please. Yes, Abdullah, tell me.
ma'am, what I was telling that for example, if your water price is too high, maybe
Hmm.
people will stop buying from you and they'll just take the water from the basin or something.
Where will they go? Tell me.
From
Where
the
will they go?
Ma'am, they can go
And
anywhere,
obviously,
ma'am.
Abdullah, you will not take a very high price, okay? You will also have a price wherein you have your profits, but then at the same time, you will make sure that the prices are not very
Ma'am.
flying high. Yes.
I agree with Muni because because not all the people will afford. So if you have a medium price, you should have a price which everyone can afford water.
Okay. Okay. So now this would be my features, characteristics of my monopoly market. It's a single firm. That means only one firm that would be selling that commodity. There are no close substitutes for the product. Like I said, if you all are selling mineral water, bottled water, I cannot come up with a sparkling water. Y'all would be the price makers. Y'all will be the ones who will decide what price I have to go for. There will be no entry of any new firm, because if any new firm enters, then it wouldn't be a monopoly market. And the last is maximization of profit. All right. So this would be, why do you enter into a monopoly market? The main aim and the main goal of that firm is just to maximize the profits and nothing else. Okay.
And
Because-
monopoly has disadvantages also.
Yes, monopoly has disadvantages, but let me tell you, nowadays governments do not allow monopoly market. Okay, so you will not find a monopoly market because it is not in the favor of the customers and consumers, and so many consumer forums coming into existence, right? That's one of the reason monopoly markets do not exist. Okay, now tell me, what do you think by perfect competition? We came to know what monopoly market is. What do you
Ma'am,
think?
you open a business in
So now monopoly market,
Both are
I hope
competitive.
everybody's clear about monopoly market. So can you all tell me what would be perfect competitive market?
and perfect competitive market will be like you open a business and you have a perfect competitor for it. So you both
Fantastic, fantastic. So what Amina says that in monopoly it was one firm selling, but in competitive, perfect competitive market, you have more than one sellers, right, Amina? Right? It's not just one seller, it's like more than one sellers. Excellent. What else? Come on, tell me, guys. Think. Now think.
In
You
monopoly,
all are not selling. Just a minute, Munir. Not you all are not selling as one Mandela. Now you are selling individually. Safia is selling water, and you all are still selling bottled water. Safia is selling hers. Farhana, Ahmad, Mozam Mudabbir. You all want to sell it together separately, Mozam Mudabbir?
Separately.
Separately, okay. So Mozam Mudabbir also selling it separately. How nice. Mozam is actually asking Mudabbir, kya? Okay, and then you have Abdullah, Sakleen. Sakleen, typhoid में तो पानी बहुत पीना पड़ता है, तो please आप sell करो. Okay, so what would you think now? Think individually you are selling and you have so many competitors and you have so many sellers. Okay, now you think how would be the feature of that market be? What would be the characteristics of that market? Tell me.
That market would be very competitive.
Exactly.
And more people will be coming in to different like in a
And
market to like
in that market,
different
if you
companies
want,
only.
Yes, Muni, we move on to others. Just give me 1.1%, you know, so at least what would happen? Everybody gets a chance.
in that market, you'll have to give a lot of, like, you'll have to lower your price because, like, people like to buy low things. So if you have the lowest price, people will come to you more.
So rather than saying low price, can I use competitive price? So, you know, you will check that what price Abdullah is selling, what price Mazam is selling, what price Sakleen and Amina are selling. And accordingly, you will fix your price, right? You will not have a price which is too high, right? Because nobody will come to you. Again, you will not have a price which is very low, wherein you will have a loss. So basically, if you notice, okay, if you notice,
Ma'am.
like, Muni, please, may I finish, please? Okay, so when you notice, if you take a Bisleri water, if you take an Aquafina water, okay, and if you take Schweppes or H2O, whatever brands, and if you see their prices are more or less same. You won't find it variant. You won't have like, you know, 1 liter of Bisleri is costing you 50 rupees and 1 liter of Aquafina is costing you 25 rupees. No. It will be around 25 or 24 rupees for all the brands. Why? They keep these kind of competitive prices so that people buy their product. Yes, Munif, tell me.
I had a question in market, monopoly market. Ma'am, if we are like selling and ma'am, another company saying that they are saying us, we will sell it by your company's brand and your company. So
They will be my franchisees. They'll be my branch. Okay. So that is okay. That would be all right, because again, it's my name that is being sold. It's sold by Mandela. It's not being sold by Shabana, or it's not being sold by the name Golden Sparrow. Remember, the product name, the company name matters. So if it's like Mandela water,
ma'am, they can,
Mandela
they
water,
can come, no?
anybody, like, see, tell me one thing. If a shopkeeper is buying from you and selling it, he is not your competitor. He is in fact
Is your
your
trader.
facilitator. He is a trader. He is helping you in selling it. He is not your
Substitute.
competitor. Okay, now
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Farhana, I'm sorry, just a minute. Farhana, I need the charger for the laptop, please. It's going low. Thank you.
Ma'am.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Abdullah.
Ma'am, in my area, like there are two groceries, one next to each other. Okay. Why would a person go in one grocery, not to the one which is next to it?
Okay, come on, tell me, everybody. Why do you
The
think
prices are the same.
the prices are same? Why?
And about the quality of the product.
The quality of the
Everything
product.
is same. Everyone, like they're taking from the same brand.
Okay, what do you think would be the reason? Come on.
So it is a monopoly market. So anywhere you go, it doesn't matter because same
No,
company
it's not
and
a
same
monopoly
brand you are
market.
using.
There are two different sellers. So this is a perfect competitive market.
No,
This is
ma'am,
not a
but he
monopoly
said-
market.
He said that they both are using only one brand only and one company name only.
No, that's not a monopoly
No,
market.
I didn't tell one company name. It's both different sellers, but they're using the same brand.
Once
Like they're
upon
buying
a
from the
time,
same
Ahmad,
person.
excellent question. Go on, tell me. Why do you think that? Why people are buying from ABC and not XYZ?
The quality of the both of the products are same.
The quality are the same?
And ma'am, they must be like, we can give more like flavors to the water also. So like we can improvise our product so people can buy it more.
Okay, I think Farhana is still before giving me the charger phase. That's why she's giving the answer for bottled water. We'll come back to Abdullah Saqib. He has a query, Farhana, that there's a grocery. There are two. Abdullah, could you just tell her what we are talking about, please?
Yes. There are these two groceries, one next to each other. Okay. And why would a person go into one grocery but not in the other one? Why would he buy from that one?
I know.
Go on, Amina, please,
More people are
everybody.
going there. And more people are going to that market, so everybody thinks that market is better when they all go to that.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Where
it
one
is
person
Mazam
It is obvious that one person cannot go in two shops at one time. So he will go in one shop only at one time, ma'am.
But why you would have a reason to choose now?
The first shop has more fresher things.
Okay.
and more
The
people
one
are going to
grocery-
that market, so the person sees where are the more people going to, and they think that place is better.
Okay, so it's like more like, you know, when you see lots of customers following, so you also follow the trend, that cattle mentality. And yes, customers, I mean, excellent customers do have that cattle mentality. When they see people are buying lots and lots of one particular product, they assume it's really good and they also buy, irrespective whether it suits them or not. Yes, Ahmad, I want answers from everybody for this. Go on.
Ma'am,
Yes,
because
Muneeb.
one grocery shop is getting like if you, for example, milk. So ma'am, every day a milk car comes and gives it, but another grocery shop is still processing that milk only for 2-3 days.
Okay, so he's saying it's not fresh. What about you, Safiya? What do you think? Why one person? Why there are more people buying the other, Safiya? Mozam, Saklain, Ahmed. I want an answer. Farhana, Farhana, are you there? Or I think she's lost the connection. Yes, tell me.
Because
Go on. Think. Come on, guys. Saklain, you can chat. Yeah. You can put in answer to see where most of the people are buying and they visit that place and buy. Yes, okay, Saklin is given an answer. Yes, go on, tell me.
because I guess the first company they started it like much before, and
Very valid point.
yeah, they
Yeah,
started
because
in
it's
much before
established
than the
before.
other company, and that company is much more fresher, and so that's why the people and the other company, it would take time for them also to like build the product, same product. So the people think that the other company also takes time, like to all the
Okay.
people, and now they
Right.
will have ads and everything. The first company may be having ads, so that's why people, it became very
So you might be saying that they might be promoting their grocery store much better, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ahmad, give me an answer. Ahmad, very conveniently, you come by the end of the session, your video becomes on. What is it, Ahmad? Yes?
Ma'am, I have 1 point, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
wait, Muni. We come to Ahmad and Mozam because everybody has answered except for Ahmad and Mozam. Go on. Why do you think, one person, like there are more people buying from one grocery store rather than the other?
I think it's because when one person is buying from a grocery store, somebody else is looking at them, thinks that the product is good. So they'll also buy from it.
So again, it's like that cattle herd mentality. Okay, Mozam, go on.
Ma'am, maybe it can be because of the shopkeeper's nature as well. How he talks to them, he gets angry if they ask him a lot of questions, or he is calm and kind. That maybe that.
Okay. Tell me, who would be that cool and calm shopkeeper, and who would be that angry young man among the you two, Mozam and Mudabbir? Yeah. Okay, we'll settle this once the session gets over. All right, not now. Yes, Farhana, you want to add something? Or we've lost her again to internet. That's sad, internet is fluctuating. Yes, Farhana, why do you think they would buy? Okay, we just have 2 minutes and we'll wind this up then. We'll continue with perfect competitive later. Yeah, Farhana. Do you understand the question? It's in the chat box. Yes, Muneeb, go on till that time. You don't want to say, Muneeb?
I guess the first person would be much more kinder than the second person. The second person would...
Yeah, that's what Muslim said, right? One would be calm and cool and all. Okay, Sakle, Abdullah, you tell me. Why do you think that is happening? Or you're trying to figure it out yourself?
I don't have an answer.
Okay, you don't have an answer. Okay, so the answers is a mix of all that. Okay, first thing is the quality. Okay, second thing would be the price. Okay, the discounts that are offered. So one more thing is the cattle herd mentality. One is brand loyalty. Like, you know, you've been buying from that shop from such a long time, you know, that you yourself would feel you're cheating the shopkeeper by going to the next shop. Okay, you have that brand, you have word of mouth. I would say, like, you know, oh, you know, buy from ABC, excellent stuff, Amina, just go over there, right? So that publicity counts. What Safia said, because he might have started long before the other person came into the picture. That could be one of the reasons. What Mozam said, like, you know, public relation, and that is very, very important. You know, public relations count. Very, he's kind, he's gentle, he talks well. You know, goodwill is something which, like, you know, most of the people don't get involved into, and it really helps, you know, goodwill. And even after sales services, there are so many times, you know, you take some stuff home and you realize, oh, I don't need it that much, or, you know, you realize it's not so fresh. Does the shopkeeper exchange it for you or no? If he does, then definitely you will feel, I want to go to him only because he is definitely the one who understands, and I feel I get value for money over there, right? And one more thing is the comfort level. So there are many things that are considered. It could be any one of them, right, which could make it tick, or it could be a mixture of more than one. Okay, Yahya Rizwani, you've entered over here. Yahya Rizwani.
Yes, I have a math class, Mandela link. We have
okay, just wait for some more time. When I end the session, then you can come in. Okay,
correct. I think yeah, they've come. They're too eager to be advanced maths.
Okay.
Just one request, Ahmed. I need a request. By mistake I told Rushda to join the class. Tell her it's an off class for her. Okay, there are only 5 students who will be joining. Ahmed, can you help me and do that to Rushda?
Okay.
Yeah, tell Rushda she doesn't have a maths class. She has an off day. Thank you.
Okay, I'll talk to you about that, Rahul Bhai, now. Okay, so I think we end the session. We'll continue with the perfect competitive market next time. Thank you very much. Loved your inputs. Keep on thinking. It's okay if you give incorrect. There are no incorrect answers. So please keep on giving your answers. Most welcome. Okay, then bye, everybody. Yes, Sakleen. And drink lots of water, Mandela, Bisleri water probably, Sakleen, and get well soon. Take care of your health. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.